bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when we come for you? Bad boys for life. Peppa, did you take my chocolate milk and cookies?
No, sir, it wasn't me. I swear, it was here.
Did you take my milk and cookies?
It wasn't me. I swear it wasn't me. You know who it was?
Alright, since I can't seem to find my milk and cookies, let's try to be a bit more productive for the day. So let's swap my laptop DVD drive with a second hard drive. Alright, let's do that. So this is everything that we'll be using. And this is the laptop that I'll use for the video. So as you can see, currently I'm just running on one hard drive. This is the SSD drive that I have my Windows 10 installed on. So the screwdriver that comes with it is really poor quality. It's not magnetized at all. So as you can see, I'm having some troubles removing the screw. Just flip it over or get another screwdriver that's a bit magnetic. All right. Afterwards, just slide out the DVD drive. Get the enclosure kit. This is what it looks like, and just slide the hard drive in it. Make sure it sits firmly. If you flip it over, you see that there are 4 holes for placing the screws. The bag comes with 4 screws. Just add that onto it. Slide it in. Make sure it clicks. Put the screw back on. And then basically you're finished with installing the second hard drive. And let's see if the computer recognizes it. Yes, as you can see, my second hard drive is attached. And since we're finished, I'll just be here till the next video. Thanks for watching.